Hello my wonderful people, welcome to another interesting tutorial. What we are doing today is tote bag with the use of jean materials. Let's start with this.
This is our clothes. This is the other side of it. What we are doing today is tote bag. So from here to here is 26 inch. From here to here is 26 inch. From here to here 16 inch. From here to here 16 inch. The first thing is for us to this 1 inch here. You have to measure 1 inch here. Stitch it till here. 1 inch here. You have to stitch it straight. Now that is our first attempt. From here to here as well, you can see 1 inch. You have to stitch it. Now, you can see that it has done. We are done with stitching of this. Don't forget our measurement is actually 1 inch. It's going to give us our 15 because we have decreased 1 inch. Now the next thing is for us to fold it into this way. After folding it, as we all know, we have two sides. This is our first side, this is our second side. This one we have to stitch this, while this one doesn't require stitching. Then this one is our bottom. That means this kind of tote bag we are stitching the bottom side and the what and the side. That's the only two sides that we are sewing. Now the next thing we have to do is to fix our handle, our bag handle. Now we have to do it this way from here to here. Our measurement is what 22. Now after cutting this one out, we are going to make it 2. This is the second one. I'm done cutting. Then don't forget, if you are using this kind of belt, what I'm using is belt, I'm not using my stuff. If you are using belt to do your tote bag, make sure you burn it. You can that it has been burned. Now what we are doing next is, where are we fixing our belt? The measurement is that from here to here we are going for 3 inch. Where did I say 3 inch? So our belt is going to be somewhere here. Then after that it's going to be here. That's the area for our belt. The next thing we are measuring is 4 inch. That's the allowance in between the two belts. So the next measurement is going to be what? 1 inch. Belt. So this last one is going to give us 3 inch. Ask me why. Because this one is giving us 3 inch because it's simply because this area we are stitching it. After stitching this one has decreased, but this one remain. So that is why we leave it 3 inch. So we are going to do it to do the second side. So let's go straight to our machine to go and stitch on it. This is how you can do it. Now I've reached this bridge for me to input the second leg. Input the second one. Now we are done stitching. The next thing is for us to stitch it this way, straight down. That's our next attempt. Now you can see that we are done stitching. We are done stitching this. The next thing is for us to what? Is to stitch it, the side here and the bottom side. And we are done with our tote bag. Now let's go. Here is the finished product of our tote bag. You can see the way it is. Look at the way it is. You can do yours at home, at the corner of your room.
and trust me, you will love it. You can try yours. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well by subscribe, like, comment and share. Click on the notification button so you can be notified anytime I drop any video. Thank you all. Bye. See you next week Wednesday.